Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. And yes, as you can see, I have made a loaf of bread and it is another no knead recipe. It is for a no knead English muffin bread. And oh my goodness, it is so delicious and it is super simple to make. And I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. I'm just going to walk you through it step by step. So hang with me today because it's that time to get cooking. So I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so you can go check it out later. But the first thing we're going to do is add 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry active yeast to a large mixing bowl. 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 1 cup of warm milk. It should be warm enough that you can put your finger in, but not too hot that you burn yourself. Just warm. I'm just gonna give this a little mix. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes until it gets foamy. All right, so my yeast has been sitting for about 5 minutes in the warm milk. It is nice and foamy, so now I'm just gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So you'll need 2 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, then just give this a mix. So bread dough can vary in consistency depending on the environment, the humidity and things like that in the air. This dough does seem to be a little drier than the last time I made it. So I am just going to add a couple tablespoons of warm water, and I'm just going to mix this a little bit because this dough is a wet, stickier dough. So I'm just going to work it in. All right, so this is looking better. This is the consistency that I'm looking for, just a little wet and sticky. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it into my loaf pan, and I'm using my silicone loaf pan. Don't judge me. I know that it is looking rough. I've had this for years, but I love it because nothing sticks. It just pops right out. So I don't have to spray it or anything, and I'm just going to put my bread dough into my loaf pan. I'm just going to try to spread this dough out. All right, so then I'm just going to cover it and put it in a warm place until it doubles in size. Ta-da! All right, so it has doubled in size. So now I'm going to bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top. All right, so the bread has cooled, and now I'm about to show you why I love this silicone loaf pan, because of how easy the bread comes out. Just look at that. Is that not amazing? Anyway, now I'm going to slice into it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I love these easy, no knead bread recipes. And this one is such a good one. I'm just gonna put a little strawberry jam on top. Yeah, Oh yeah. This will be so delicious toasted with some butter. The butter will melt down into those nooks and crannies, just like an English muffin. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.